So we are writing a one program in SC38 in ECC. We are writing code into the ECC or S4HANA or any S4HANA system as well. Anything. So we have two tables. We have two tables. Mara table. Okay, in Mara table we have three fields. Matter, Ernum, and BRGAW. Okay, let me keep into. So this is the structure actually. One more table is communicating. So MATLAB, SPAS, MAKTX. Okay. Hmm. This is the table. Yeah. So these two tables we have it. So we need to club all fields into one internal table. We need to display all these tables, all these fields into final table. Final table. That final table is IT underscore final. Like that we are designing it. This is not ready-made and these two are ready-made. Mara MAKT is defined by SAP MAKT. Okay, but IT underscore final we are defining. This is the internal table. Okay, so like this we need to design it. So, okay, like this we need to design. This is the structure. So for creating this design, this design, first step is declare the user-defined structure. Declare the user-defined structure. Define structure. If you know this program, okay, whatever we are discussing this, if you know this program, you can handle data source enhancement and whatever you are writing code into the end routine lookups, that without taking help from somebody, you will write your own way. If you know this program, okay, if you practice this program, you can handle everything. So in this program, we are introducing multiple SAP command statement like select, read, field symbols, work area, internal table for all entries in bind research. Okay, and if size about equal to 0. So many things we are using it. Selection screen, select options. Okay, so you will sort. So many statements we will observe in this. Yeah. So once you declare use different structure, declare the internal table, internal tables and the work area. Work area. Okay. So now we will design this one. Once you declare, we need to fill the internal table. We need to fill the internal table, right? We need to fill the internal table and then sort the internal table, sort the internal table. You observe this code, you will come to know all this. Okay, loop, write the loop, and you can do the read statement. Read the internal table. Okay, update the data. update the data based upon our requirement. Data based upon our requirement. Based on the requirement. Okay. How we will design this? We will log in into ECC and then we will write the code. Okay, I logged into SC38 code. You can see SC38 where we will write the code SC38. Here we will write the code. You can see SC38. Okay, here we will give the so like this I will write. Okay, so once you create, so I'm writing MAKT equal to IT underscore final. Like this I'm writing it. Okay. So description you can give anything. Okay. You need to select the executable program. Not include program. I will tell you what is the purpose of include program. Save it. And if you are saving under the package, then we can able to move from development to quality, quality to production. So as of now, we are using dummy system. So we are not selecting anything. So we are see here. So here I will define like one variable. Declare the variable for MATLAB. Okay. So if you want to comment this one, control less than. Okay, I'm writing it control less than use for comment the line. Okay, I'm writing it. And then data v underscore MATLAB type MATLAB. Okay, so this is the declaration. This is my variable. V underscore MATLAB is the variable. This is the original field. So even you can define like this also, no issue. Like this you can define. Sorry. So now I declare the variable, then use the selection scale, begin of flag, frame, title, text 001. Okay. Selection screen, end of TY block. Okay. Select options. If we select tab, automatically it will come. Select options, yes underscore MATLAB for v underscore MATLAB. Okay, I declare this one. So now you can see here, I having fur is a lowercase, black is lowercase, B1 is lowercase. When I select this code, When I click on pretty printer, see, even if I write this code, okay, even if I write code like this, so now you can select this code. Now you can select all this code. You can do pretty printer. See, automatically it will come. So it will arrange the code in proper way when you select pretty printer. This is the use of pretty printer. Select, and I'm activating the program and execute. See what it is showing here, s underscore madman. Okay, it is showing, right? If you want to show the s underscore madman as well, go to text element, and here we need to give the, go to selection, and I will write here, please enter material. Activate it. And go back, activating it. Now I execute. Now you can see, please enter material. Okay, so like this we'll define it. Now define the user defined declaration. Declare the user defined structure. Okay, now I'm giving it like this, user defined structure. Now types. So we have two tables. I will declare two user defined structure. Okay. Still you can declare. Sorry. So I will declare begin of ty. So we can declare like this. So I'm declaring one more final one. So now I have declared 3. So like this also we can define. Okay, check. Do we have any issue? Yes, there is a issue. What is that? Yeah, we didn't write any end. Okay, end of ty underscore final. So like this we need to define it. That is what saying end of ty final is missing. So now I'm doing pretty printer. See, automatically it is selected. Now you can check it. So do you have any issue? I didn't declare multiple types. I declared only types and I declared use 3 different structure. Remember. So in the morning we given 3 different types. So don't declare multiple types as well. You can see I given comma instead of full stop. So continued. Okay, like this also you can define it. Okay, full stop. Now declare the internal table and the work area. How do you declare? For this structure, we need to one internal table for this structure and this structure. Okay. Data. So you can give standard table also, and by default it will work standard table of only. Fine. Okay, work area. And now I need to do the pretty printer. So now it is fine. Do you have any issues? Just click on check and activate it if you have anything. No syntax error and activate it. So nothing will happen till now. Only just tables are created, internal tables. Internal tables, how it will be now like this created. Now it is created one internal table. Like you can go here and you can type here. IT underscore Mara created. Okay, now IT underscore MAKT table created. Now this table also created. IT underscore final also created. Okay. Also multiple records would be there. Okay, we need to select multiple table, multiple records. See here, like this it will create. Work area will hold only one record say, with the same function. Clear? So when we declare the internal table and work area, like this structure will allocate in the backend. Okay, like this will be there. So as of now, we have completed this one. Yes, completed. This one. Yes. Okay. And we need to fill the internal table. So now we are going to fill the internal table. How you fill? Okay. Fill the internal table by using select statement. Select statement. Okay. Now select manner. So always you try to write like this. BR GAW run Mara into table IT underscore Mara, sorry, MAKT, sorry, Mara, where Matnar. So in the morning we given Matnar equal to we given. Okay. Matnar equal to IT underscore Mara. Matnar we given in the morning. So don't give like this. So we need to give like, okay, sorry. We need to give, we have given in the morning like this. S underscore Matnar, right? So like this is only wrong actually. Don't give equal. So we are passing the variable. So we need to give the yes. Okay. So now what I will do, see, do the printer. See, it will arrange automatically. Okay. From internal table. So now you can arrange it. So automatically it is converted into, okay, click on this. So now if IT underscore Mara is not initial, is not, okay, initial, is not initial, and then select MATLAB plus MAKTX from MAKT M into table IT underscore MAKT. Okay. For all entries in IT underscore Mara. Whatever we have data into IT underscore Mara, then we are comparing. Only bring this MATNAT and Sprouse MAKT, whatever we have IT underscore Mara materials. Okay, and where MATNAT equal to IT underscore Mara MATNAT. Whatever you have IT underscore Mara MATNAT. Material numbers, whatever we have material numbers in the IT underscore Mara, for them only it will bring. Assume like in IT underscore MATNAP, we having 100 records. 100 records only it will bring it. It will not bring more than that. Okay, clear? So now we need to do city printer. See, automatically it is. And then what we need to do, if size about C equal to 0, we need to sort the internal. Sort IT underscore Mara by MATNAP. I'm sorting it. And if, okay, now I need to do the sort as well. City printer, and now loop. It will start loop. Loop at IT underscore Mara into work area. Let me bring loop underscore Mara. We stop end loop. We need to give end loop. Okay, once you give end loop, now IT underscore final. Example, work area underscore final. MATNAP. So we need to fill the IT underscore final MATNAP from where? Work area underscore Mara MATNAP work area. This is how, right? Work area MATNAP, we have this field. See, work area Mara having 3 fields. This is one of the field, and I will copy this one simple way and do the paste and do the paste. So now here I need to edit the second field, N. And here we have a weight BRGW. Okay, here also we have. So in the real time also, already we have a end routine. So just copy and paste and do the trimming. Do the trim based on our requirement. So once you get job, okay, you need to do like this. Already code will be available in the system itself. If you join any project, the already code available. Based on that, you have to trim it. Okay, understand that code and trim it. Okay, now do we have any syntax errors? No, I don't have any syntax errors. Click on this. Now, read table, IT underscore MAKT into okay, yeah, MAKT with the key MATLAB equal to MATLAB. Okay. Mhm. So here I need to give one more thing. Here I need to give spross as well. Spross equal to cell language. So you need to give and as well. Okay. Now I need to do the pretty printer as well. Automatically it will adjust. Okay. So in the read also I will use without goose spross. I given spross equal to cell language. Okay. Instead of EQ, I'll give equal. Okay. Fine. Now it will take it up. Now you can see no syntax errors. Now in the read statement, I will use one more thing, bind search. So I'm using bind search. So IT underscore martiner also, IT underscore MAKT also we need to sort. Otherwise it will go dump. Sort IT underscore, okay, by martiner. Otherwise it will go dump. If we are using bind search, we need to sort the internal table. Otherwise it will go dump. This is the internal table we are using bind search, right? Okay, so if we don't define IT underscore meta, it will go dump. So that is the way I am using it. Okay. If size about C equal to 0, and what we need to update our final spross, right? Spross equal to W underscore MAKT spross, right? WA underscore final MAKTX MAKT. So like this we need to give it. So now what is the issue here? We need to give the end if, right? We open the if and we need to give the end if. That is why throwing many errors. See, only for one if it is taking resolve many issues. And give the pretty printer, it will arrange automatically. Select and activate it. So like this we need to fix it while writing code itself. So now it is defining, right? Now it is defined on the internal level. So okay, here finally written and we need to write the right okay, yeah, final math okay, yeah, and so final math okay, yeah, underscore final okay, yeah, underscore final plus okay, yeah, underscore final MAKTX. So this is the way we can write the code. Check this and activate it. Once I execute, please enter material. Now if I enter, if I enter, if I enter material this one, it will display only this material. So in the morning it is not working right because of we didn't write in any statement. So now you can see this is the material number, this is the created by material, and this is the weight of this one, this is the language, this is the description. Clear? And if you give 73, na, 78 or 7732. So this is the range. Okay, now you can see this much range it is displaying. This is the way we will define the program. Based on if you are understanding this program, you can able to write the customer I will explain you how to write lookup, how to write customer exit, how to write data source enhancement based on this. Okay, just we'll do the debug. Okay, first check and activate it. Check and activate it. Now we need to execute it. So now I'm selecting 73 and here, so which number we selected? 732 I'm selecting. Only these records will fetch it. Okay, now it is going to debug. This is very, very important in the real time. Okay, so what we need to focus in the debug level, what you need to focus in the debug level, internal table filling or not. Okay, debug level, what you need to focus. Okay, select statement level, internal table filling or not. Okay, filling or not, you need to focus. In the read statement, data updating for our fields or not. Data updating for our fields or not. Only these two you need to focus. So now I'm in select statement. This is the internal table, IT underscore Mara. How many records are there? 0 into 3 means only three zero records and three columns. We having only 0 records with three columns, Matnar, Ernum. Okay. Now in the same way, you can check IT underscore MAKT as well. 0 into 3. This one is different fields. You can see SPROS and MAKTX. Now you can see this is very, very important single step F5, F6, F7, F8. These are very, very important. Click on F5. So now you can see how many records came. 35 records came. Double click on this. Now you can able to see all the records, 35 records. You can see 35 records, you can see. Okay. You can expand and you can see it. 35 records came. Okay. In the same way, so that means select statement is working fine for the first select statement. Okay. Now go to see this statement is if IT underscore Mara is not initial. I mean it should not be initial. So already we have 35 records, it will execute below record. If we don't have any record, then it will not execute below code and all. It will come out of it. Okay, now I'm executing F5. So then go to another select. So now once I select, it will execute till here. Once I execute F5, it will execute these many lines because ending parameter is in this line. Even if you write code 100 lines of code also, it will check for ending period. This treat like only one row only. It will treat like only single statement. Okay, I'm executing it now. See here, cursor came here. How many records came? 34 records came. See here, 34 records coming. See, did you observe it? This will have 35 and this will have 34 only. It was not there in the MAKT1 record. Okay, size above equal to 0. That means previous statement is successful. Now we are sorting the internal table. No need to keep more focus on that. Now you can see this is the first record we are into in the loop level. Now what is the number here work area? What is the number in the final? So final it will not display. Once you execute F5 then it will display the data. Okay, see here. By default it will come BRUGW because it is a nullity value. By default it is playing floating 0.0 allocate. So now it is displayed the IT underscore final. See here, this one, second one displayed. This one. You observe it, only we are passing from the WA MATNA random BRGW to final. Click here, see here, yeah, came. Now we are going to reading. So this read statement is successful. That is the way it is showing up. Now we need to check into this one. And here also you need to check. Here also you need to check. This is the way you can debug it. See, all the values are populating as expected. Okay. Now F5. Now it will go to second record. How you will come to know second record? See. Now once we execute F5, see. Now we are into second record. So like this 35 times it has to do. Okay. So I am executing now. So this is the way you can check 35 records. Clear? Fine? Okay. Thank you. And if you want to write code into the end routine level, we will compare that as well. What is the resilience score package? Resilience score package, we have a code, I will show you. In data source enhancement, example, data source enhancement, I will take it. Data source enhancement, for example, I will take zero vendor attribute. One.